People over 50 in Japan don't rely on heavy gym workouts. They don't do painful squats. Yet, many of them can walk, stand, and balance better at 70 than others at 50. Why? Because they practice simple daily leg strength exercises passed down through Japanese wellness culture. Today, I'll show you 5 exercises the Japanese use to double leg strength after 50. Heavy checkmark no jumping. Heavy checkmark no machines. Heavy checkmark senior safe. Stay till the end. Exercise number 5 is the secret most people ignore. Visuals, 5. Elderly Japanese people walking confidently. Busy Japanese street with seniors active. Close-up of strong legs walking upstairs. Calm Japanese morning routine. Text on screen, stronger legs after 50, naturally. In Japan, leg strength is considered the foundation of independence. Doctors there say, when legs weaken, life shrinks. Weak legs lead to poor balance, fear of falling, knee pain, loss of independence. So instead of lifting heavy weights, the Japanese focus on controlled movement, balance, daily repetition. These exercises activate deep leg muscles that protect the knees and hips. And the best part? You can do them at home, even if you haven't exercised in years. Visuals, 5. Diagram of leg muscles. Senior standing from chair. Balance-focused movements. Calm Japanese home interior. Text, balance plus strength equals longevity. This is a daily habit in Japan. How to do it? Sit on a chair. Feet shoulder width apart. Slowly stand up. Slowly sit back down. No speed. No force. Why it works? It strengthens thighs, glutes, knees, core. Do 8 to 12 reps. Rest if needed. If you struggle, use armrests, that's still effective. Visuals, 5. Chair stand demo. Side angle showing form. Close-up of legs. Senior smiling while exercising. On-screen reps counter. This comes from sumo training, but we use a safe senior version. How? Stand with feet wider than shoulders. Slight bend in knees. Hold for 10 to 20 seconds. Stand tall again. Why it works? Strengthens inner thighs. Improves hip stability. Protects knees from collapse. This is a hidden secret for fall prevention. Visuals, 5. Wide stance demo. Knee alignment close-up. Timer animation. Comparison, weak versus strong stance. Japanese-inspired graphic. This looks easy, but it's powerful. How? Walk in a straight line. Heel touches toe each step. Use a wall for support if needed. Why Japanese seniors do this daily? Improves balance. Strengthens ankles. Activates stabilizer muscles. This exercise trains your brain and legs together. Visuals, 5. Heel-to-toe walking demo. Balance line on floor. Wall support example. Senior confidently walking. Text, balance equals strength. This is used in Japanese senior rehab programs. How? Sit tall. Extend one leg. Hold 3 seconds. Lower slowly. Why it matters? Strong knees equals strong life. This strengthens the quadriceps, which protect your knees when walking, standing, climbing stairs. Visuals, 5. Seated extension demo. Muscle highlight graphic. Knee joint animation. Senior exercising at home. Rep counter. Here's the exercise Japanese doctors quietly call the strongest predictor of independence after 50. It looks simple, but it's incredibly powerful. It's called the one-leg stand. In Japan, seniors are encouraged to practice this every day, because it trains 3 critical systems at once: your legs, your balance, and your nervous system. How to do it safely. Stand tall near a chair or wall. Lift one foot just a few inches off the floor. Keep your eyes forward. Breathe slowly. Hold for 10 to 30 seconds. Then switch sides. If you need support, lightly hold the chair. That does not reduce the benefit. Why this works so well after 50? When you stand on one leg, your body activates deep stabilizing muscles around the ankles, knees, hips, and core. These are the muscles that prevent falls, protect the knees, keep you steady when walking or turning. Japanese studies show this simple exercise can significantly reduce fall risk when practiced daily. Important tip: do not rush. Do not lock your knee. This exercise should feel challenging, never painful. Even 1 minute per day can help restore confidence in your legs. Close, motivational. If you only do one exercise from this video, make it this one. Because in Japan, they believe strong balance means strong life. One of the biggest mistakes people over 50 make is thinking they need to exercise hard to get strong. In Japan, it's the opposite. They focus on how often, not how intense. The Japanese approach. Most Japanese seniors don't follow complicated routines. They follow simple daily habits. They practice these leg exercises every day, or at least 5 days a week. Not for hours. Not until exhaustion. Just 10 to 15 minutes total. Here's the ideal weekly plan. Choose 3 to 5 exercises from this video. Do each one for 8 to 12 repetitions. Or 20 to 30 seconds per hold. Rest when needed. Slow breathing. Full control. This keeps your muscles active without stressing the joints. Why daily movement works better after 50. After 50, muscles respond better to frequent, gentle activation. Long breaks between workouts cause stiffness, balance loss, faster muscle decline. But small daily movement tells your body, I still need these muscles. That signal is powerful. What results most seniors notice first? Within 2 weeks, many people feel standing up is easier. Walking feels steadier. Knees feel more supported. Within 4 weeks, better balance. More leg confidence. Less fear of falling. These changes come from consistency, not force. Important reminder. If you miss a day, do not quit. Just continue the next day. In Japan, they say, 1 good habit beats 10 perfect plans. Strong legs are built not by pushing harder, but by showing up daily. 10 minutes a day can protect your independence for years. Before you begin any exercise after 50, there's one rule that matters more than all others. Safety comes first. The goal is not to push your body. The goal is to protect it while making it stronger. Tip number 1, move slowly. Never rush through these exercises. Slow movement protects your knees, protects your hips, keeps balance under control. If you can't move slowly, the exercise is too difficult. Tip number 2, use support without shame. In Japan, using support is considered wisdom, not weakness. Hold a chair. Stand near a wall. Support reduces fall risk. And still activates your muscles. Tip number 3, stop pain, continue effort. Mild effort is good. Sharp pain is not. If you feel stabbing pain, dizziness, pressure in joints, stop immediately. Rest. Resume later or skip that exercise. Tip number 4, breathe normally. Never hold your breath. Breathe in through your nose. Breathe out slowly. Good breathing lowers blood pressure, improves balance, keeps muscles relaxed. Tip number 5. Wear the right footwear. Bare feet on slippery floors are dangerous. Use non-slip shoes, flat soles, stable ground. A safe surface matters more than the exercise itself. Tip number 6, listen to your body. Your body speaks quietly after 50. Tightness means slow down. Pain means stop. Fatigue means rest. Progress comes from listening, not forcing. These exercises are safe when done with care. Strong legs should make you feel confident, stable, secure, not afraid. Your safety is your strength. If you're over 50, your legs are not just muscles. They are your freedom. They decide how easily you stand up, how confidently you walk, how long you stay independent. The good news? Your legs are not too old. They're just waiting to be used again. You don't need a gym. You don't need painful workouts. Just a few minutes a day. Done calmly. Done consistently. That's the Japanese way. Direct call to action, clear, friendly. If you're starting today, comment strong below. It's a promise to yourself. Thumbs up like this video, it helps more seniors see it. Bell subscribe for safe, proven senior health tips. Television new videos every week to help you stay active and confident.